In a lively village surrounded by green fields, lived a young man named Ryan. At 25, Ryan worked at a local grocery store, a job he had started right after high school. Through dedication and hard work, he was promoted from clerk to store supervisor, earning a modest but steady income. For years, Ryan had been saving a small portion of his salary. However, he began to notice that despite all his efforts, his savings grew painfully slow. One evening, while reviewing his finances, he thought, "I've been working for years, yet my life hasn't changed. There must be a way to make my money grow faster, maybe even work for me." But Ryan's schedule was already packed. He barely had time for another job. So he decided to seek advice from Mr. Denar, a respected man from a nearby village, known for his wealth and wisdom in managing money. Meeting the mentor. When Ryan arrived, he found Mr. Denar relaxing under the shade of a large tree, enjoying a cup of coffee. Despite being wealthy, Mr. Denar seemed calm and unhurried, a man whose money worked for him. After greeting him politely, Ryan said, "Sir, I've been saving for years, but my money grows too slowly. I want to learn how to make it work for me." Mr. Denar smiled warmly. "That's a wise thought, Ryan. You're still young? This is the perfect time to learn the art of passive income." He leaned forward and said, "Let me teach you 7 steps to make your money work for you. Follow them carefully, and your life will change." Step 1. Save before you spend. The first step, said Mr. Denar, is simple but powerful. You must have money to invest. Save a part of your earnings every month. Avoid taking loans just to start a business. Work hard, live modestly, and build your savings little by little. Even a small amount can be the seed of future wealth. Ryan nodded eagerly. "Yes, sir. I'll start saving more seriously." Step 2. Avoid unnecessary luxuries. Next, Mr. Denar continued, don't rush into buying expensive things, not yet. Avoid new cars, fancy phones, or luxury clothes unless you truly need them. These things lose value quickly and drain your savings. Use your money to create income, not expenses. Ryan smiled in understanding. "I've always dreamed of buying nice things, but now I see that waiting is smarter." Step 3. Find opportunities around. Mr. Denar stood and motioned for Ryan to walk with him through the village. He pointed at a small shop nearby. "See Rudy's house?" He started a Wi-Fi service with just a small investment. Next door, someone began raising chickens with the same amount. Look around. Opportunities are everywhere if you open your mind. Ryan was amazed. He had never realized that even small ideas could become sources of income. Step 4. Start small and learn back under the tree, Mr. Denar said. Once you find an idea, don't wait for the perfect time. Start small. Use your savings and begin learning as you go. You'll make mistakes, but that's part of the process. Starting small reduces risks and teaches you valuable lessons. Ryan nodded gratefully, feeling his confidence grow. Step 5. Reinvest your profits. When your first project begins to earn money, said Mr. Denar, don't spend the profits right away, reinvest them to expand your business. That's how small ventures grow into big ones. Rudy, for example, expanded his Wi-Fi coverage and doubled his earnings within a year. Ryan's eyes sparkled with motivation. So, I should let my profits create more profits? Exactly, Mr. Denar replied with a smile. Step 6. Diversify your income. Never depend on just one source of income, Mr. Denar continued. When your first business becomes stable, start another one. Diversifying protects you from risk and builds stronger financial security, he added. And when you succeed, don't forget to reward yourself, but wisely. Spend no more than half of your profits on enjoyment. The rest should go toward growth. Ryan laughed softly. So, enjoy life, but never stop investing. Exactly, said the old man. Step 7. Be patient and keep learning finally, Mr. Denar said. The last and most important step is patience. Building passive income takes time. Don't get frustrated if results are slow. Stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt to changes. Most people fail because they stop learning or expect quick success. Ryan felt a deep sense of gratitude. He realized that true financial growth required discipline, patience, and constant learning. After enjoying lunch with Mr. Denar's family, Ryan thanked him sincerely. He returned home inspired, ready to begin his own journey, not just to work for money, but to make money work for him. Moral of the story: wealth doesn't come from working harder. It comes from working smarter. Start small, spend wisely, and reinvest your earnings. Create multiple income sources and stay patient. Let your money become your employee, and one day it will bring you freedom.